What's up guys, Tyler here with Game On Fishing. Most of us bass fishermen have 15 bait casters across the deck of our boat, especially when we're on a new body of water trying just to figure out what bait is working. But a lot of us have one thing in common: one spinning rod on the deck of that boat. So today I want to show you guys which one rod would be best for you. So whether I'm fishing a drop shot, a Ned rig, a weightless Cinco, a small shaky head, I got one spinning rod on the deck of my boat, and that is a 7-foot medium extra fast Kistler Helium. This rod is great. It's extremely light, extremely sensitive. It's got that extra fast tip, so you're able to reel set on that drop shot. You're able to flick that weightless Cinco way up underneath that dock where all the big girls are hiding. So I've owned tons of spinning reels over the years, but by far my favorite is the Shimano Stratic CI4 Plus. This is the lightest, smoothest reel you will ever own. Paired with 20-pound braid to a fluorocarbon leader, you're able to fish any of those finesse styles of baits and any of those finesse tactics to catch those bass that are sometimes very finicky. So what I do is I'll pair it with 20-pound braid. Now some people ask, wow, 20, that's really heavy. Well, personally, 10, 15-pound braided lines are actually more prone to get wind knots. So I stick with that 20-pound braid. It's still a 6-pound diameter. With the braided line, you get no memory in that line. To a fluorocarbon leader, which allows you to give some clear section at the end of the line to help with those finicky fish. Depending on what you're fishing, drop shotting or Ned rigging, I'll throw a 6 or 8-pound fluorocarbon. To a weightless Cinco or a shaky head, I'll go 12 or 14. But this reel is hands down the best spinning reel you'll ever own. I really hope you guys enjoyed this week's episode of Wednesday Weekly Wisdom. Stay tuned because next week I'll show you guys exactly how to rig the perfect drop shot rig. Don't forget to like us on Instagram, subscribe on YouTube, and as always, tight lines and game on.